Alright guys, we're here doing a speed run on our 110 Wltoys 104001 that we upgraded with a Hobby Queen 3650 and a Surpass Hobby 120 amp. Yeah, 120 amp using our Dumbo. Looks like we already got our signal. We're at 0. You see there. Now this is the same place. This is the same place that we caught it on fire last time. Something's not right. Gotta check it real quick. These wires are backwards. It's always the way, isn't it? Because reverse was way faster. Which means the poles are switched. Now we're using our Cnhl 2S. They're our sponsor for this. This Cnhl 2S 4900 mAh. 120c Lipos. They're not a fresh charge, so it is what it is. They almost fit in this. Almost. That's a good sign. All right, that's better. So yeah, we're just trying to beat the night. I don't think it's going to be too crazy. Pretty cool. And this is for the Bargain Bashers RC Speed Run Challenge. We already did the PX Toys with the brushed. And we'll see how this does. This motor doesn't have a whole lot of juice, so it is what it is. It's a smaller motor. So, yeah, that's really slow. That's really slow, 25 miles an hour. So we might do a take 2 on this, swap the motor out and do a take 2. We can only do 1 entry, so we'll do them all. But she's a cool rig. Really good on the track. There's one thing here and I hit it. Isn't this where we broke that one chassis?
Yeah, it's when we smashed it.
Yeah, that was awesome. So anyways, like and subscribe, and you'll probably see another version of this later with a different motor, because that's slow. We can do a lot better than that. I can put the Xteam in here instead of this Hobby Queen. Again, this is a $20 ESE combo deal. So, but yeah, 25. That's 25 even. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you when I see you. Oh, forgot to show you. Well, what's going on here? This thing's going crazy. So
the one thing you told me after the
I know. Turn the controller off first, so you can see I got my swag on. I wanted to show it off. My swag. So, can you see me? Is it working? You see my swag from Cnhl. Shirt. I like it. I dig. Hopefully you guys do too. I'll see you when I see you. Peace. All right, guys, we're back. Just did a shakedown at the local Martin Park, and this Hobby Queen had better days. So I'm not gonna let you sit through me switching this out. I got some old videos you want to see how to switch out this. We do have an aftermarket motor mount on there, but we're going to be putting in our Xteam 3650 5400. It's the same size, so the ESC will still fit in the back, and that pinion's way too small, so we're going to go with one of these guys. I think they're 32 tooth. Yep, 32 tooth. If they work, they should. They look like they work. So anyways, we'll do the handy dandy magic trick. What is it? There you go, like this. All right, there we go. Piece of cake. So we put our pinion in there. It's super tight, guys. We're gonna have to probably work it a little bit. I might have to take the top of that off. I had to take the bottom off there, but we'll get this out tonight and we'll get this video up right away. And hopefully this one will run a little better than 25 miles an hour with any luck. Again, this is for Bergen Basher's RC. I saw he had a video up on Hiboxing. Good job, guy. Freaking awesome. Cranking it, digging it. Let's see. Get a quick pump and then we'll get out there. Yeah, I had a feeling it might be too tight. All right, well, we'll cut that off and I'll be right back and we'll have her out. You see what we're working with. Ha! Get another run. Be right back on the road. All right, just wanted to do a quick show you I got it running. I had to cut the whole bottom out on this girl, and we're ready to go. So just want to make sure it's working. Okay, that's reverse. All right, we'll be right back on the track, or in the parking lot. All right, guys, we're gonna get this out and get it going. We got our let me get this head rig on. Picking up monster at town. Our satellites are connected. We got our 2S Lipo from Cnhl, and we got our Xteam. How we doing?
I just see this thing.
Oh yeah, she's a ripper, man. I'm in a little speed run competition.
Okay, how about that?
Yeah, it's with
You put all those together yourself?
Yeah, this is like $100 special.
Holy shit. Fucking fly.
Yeah, for sure. I'm hoping to get it about 50 is my hope. So
where do you do that? It's like a competition?
Yeah, guys online because of YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah. So I got a YouTube channel.
Oh yeah, I know she told me I gotta make. I have my own, but I don't. But I just started watching YouTube again.
Well, that's all I do for TV now. So
YouTube.
yeah, well the TV's garbage, So let's see what we got.
Like I stream on.
Yeah, that's Twitch's. There's no turnaround though. That's the problem.
Yeah.
So yeah, 49.1. That's what we're looking for. 49.1.
Damn.
So that's good, man. And this is just $100 special Wltoys.
I've never done like the cars. My dad always had the boat.
Boats are big because there's not a lot of guys that do them.
What was your YouTube name?
It's Right Place.
Like Right Place?
REIT, like our last name.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Oh wait, alright. REIT?
Yep.
TLAC?
Yeah.
One word?
RC, yeah. Right Place, one word, yeah. So, yeah. So I got
This?
that's us right there. Yeah.
This one?
Oh no, that's John. Yeah, that's me there.
This one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, cool. I'll make sure.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. Cool. But yeah, she's a ripper. She's a ripper. I got a new sponsor, this battery company, so saves a lot of money, man.
Power is.
This is your motor. This is your motor, and then this is your ESC, which is kind of like your power plant.
Okay.
It distributes the amperage through to the DC motor.
You gotta get like new tires every so.
A lot, but this car. They have a fancy one that's for racing on the tracks, and it's like $800. But this is a Chinese knockoff. You can get for $100. Well, it's nowhere near as good.
Okay.
But But for $100, I'm not caring if I hit a curb. You know what I mean? I really don't care if I hit a curb.
If you
know?
spend 900 and you accidentally just smash it.
Yeah, it's like those are for the serious guys that are into racing and all
What's
that.
your distance?